right, how my champion's doing? Winning plays every day. Right here we have.
This is Greg Sechrist with BKA Content.
All right, and he's going to explain his company, exactly what they do, where they're out of, and exactly what they're going to be able to do for you and your business.
Yeah, so we're BKA Content. We're based out of Utah, Salt Lake City area. We're a content writing service. So every single business online needs to be found on Google in order to exist, really. So what we help them to do is build the content out that helps them to rank. So that would include things like blog posts, articles, web pages, basically all the stuff in text on their website is what we build to help them to rank on Google, as well as to brand and communicate what it is that they're selling to their customers. So that's what we do.
Awesome, awesome. So he just broke everything down. You have to be on Google, you have to be ranking on Google, and they're going to help you do that in a great way. It was great to meet you. It was great to learn more about your company. We look forward to your company accomplishing incredible things.
Awesome. Yeah, come visit us at bkacontent.com.
Appreciate you.
All right. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
Thank you.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champion's Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.